I've worked side by side with Cardinal Heating in the past when I was doing home remodeling, and one of the things that I found is that the team, the technicians, the installers, everybody seemed to be happy to be working for Cardinal Heating. And of course, for me, this was 20 plus years ago, but I've had Cardinal Heating work on all three of our houses in the last 20 years, and as well as our businesses. We've opened up a couple businesses, and every single team member that I meet from Cardinal Heating, they genuinely seemed happy to be there and working for Cardinal and doing the work that they were doing. And of course, when we moved in, we had Cardinal Heating come through and do the checkup on the furnace and the AC. And that was an original thing on the furnace. They did find that there was a setting off with being an LP tank, and the pressure wasn't right. And they said, hey, if this pressure wasn't right, glad we caught it, because it can actually cause long-term damage if we didn't catch it. We had both furnace and air conditioning replaced. And then in that process, we upgraded our air filter and then also added a humidifier as well. Of course, we use them for all of our maintenance and updates and check-ins at the beginning of summer and the beginning of winter. The reason we signed up for the Cardinal Care Club is that it helps us be consistent. Sometimes you don't think about your furnace or air conditioner, it just does its job until it doesn't. And then, of course, it's broken, you're calling for an emergency. So we definitely found value in having Cardinal Heating automate it, come out, remind us that it was time to do the checkup, come do the checkup, and then make sure everything was running. In the past, when we've had them do maintenance, again, the techs that give us a little insight about who the technician is and what they like to do above and beyond helping people with their HVAC. But I definitely recommend Cardinal Heating and Air Conditioning because of the professionalism, the communication they provided, and then also the follow-up after with whether it's the maintenance with Cardinal Care or just checking in to make sure everything is going well.